I'll see if I can get a close-up just without even, yep, they just come right over it. They don't even worry if I'm holding the camera with one hand.
Yeah, they're not camera shy.
Not at all.
No,
Sweet little babies.
oh yeah. I think the woodpecker got full. He
slept.
It's not as though he's, well, you know, they can only eat so much. We're looking at these other birds.
Yeah, I still have sunflower seeds.
Look at this one over here. Maybe he'll come back for more. We'll go flies along.
Was he a different kind?
One of the sharp-beaked ones came down here.
Okay. Maybe that's a nuthatch.
That's good. Yeah.
Come on, baby.
A lot on the ground then.
Yeah, that was from when you got scared and shook
I just got startled. I was concentrating on the camera, and then all of a sudden I felt something on my hand, and I wasn't ready. So
yeah.
I feel like a amateur, but what the heck? That's one of the chickadees. They're not nearly as shy as those.
No.
Nuthatches, you're figuring they're both of them are beautiful little birds.
Mhm.